Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 2. The zeros of the polynomial. So let us make the given polynomial is equal to 0. So here it becomes 4x square. I am writing it as 2x whole square minus, here I am writing this 9 as 3 square. I am writing minus 12x as 2 into 2x into 3. 2x into 3. Now here it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us make equal to 0. So equal to 0. It is like a minus b whole square formula. So here a means 2x minus b means 3 whole square equal to 0. So here it can be written as 2x minus 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So it can be rewritten as 2x minus 3 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So on simplification, 2x equal to 3, so x equal to 3 by 2. Here also 2x equal to 3, so x equal to 3 by 2. So finally 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. See from options. Option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 7. That is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and alpha minus beta equal to 1, then the value of b is. So here let us consider the zeros as alpha and beta, they are given. So let us consider sum of the zeros. So that is alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros is minus b by a. Here minus b nothing but minus of minus 5. So plus 5 by a means by 1. 5 by 1 is 5. This is alpha plus beta. And here given alpha minus beta as 1. So let us add these two. On adding, here what happens? Plus beta minus beta get cancelled. So here we get alpha plus alpha is 2 times alpha is 5 plus 1 is 6. So here alpha is 6 by 2 is 3. Now let us apply another formula, that is product of the zeros. So alpha into beta is c by a. In place of alpha let us write 3 into here beta also can be found here. If you substitute alpha equal to 3, see, if we substitute alpha equal to 3, 3 plus beta equal to 5. So beta equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. So in place of beta I am writing 2, 3 into 2 equal to c means b by a, that is here 1. So finally 3 2s are 6 equal to b, therefore b equal to 6. So from options you see option D is the right answer. Now we see question number 10. That is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 3x square plus 11x minus 4, then the value of alpha square plus beta square. So here alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Because here this is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, and here minus 2 alpha beta, they get cancelled. So here we get again alpha square plus beta square only. So here let us substitute values. Alpha plus beta means minus b by a. Here from this polynomial I am writing alpha plus beta is minus b by a means minus 11 by 3. And alpha into beta is c by a means minus 4 by 3. Let us substitute these values here. Alpha plus beta whole square. So minus 11 by 3 whole square, minus 11 square is 121 by 3 square is 9 minus 2 times. This is alpha beta is minus 4 by 3. This minus and this minus becomes plus. So it is plus 4 by 3. 2 into 4 by 3. Now here I would like to take 9 as LCM. This is 121 will be as it is plus 3 3s are 9. That 3 into 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is already 8. 8 into 3 is 8 3 is 24. So here on adding we will get that 140, 145 by 9. See from options you see option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 14, that is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial f of x equal x square plus px plus q, then polynomial having 1 by alpha and 1 by beta as its zeros is. Now from the given question we can write the values of alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros minus b by a means minus p by 1, it can be written as minus p, and alpha into beta, that is c by a, that is q by 1, that is q. Now here let us consider the value. So here we are asked to find the polynomial whose zeros are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. So let us write the polynomial as k times x square minus sum of the zeros, means here the required zeros are 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta times x plus product of the zeros, so that is 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. Now here let us simplify it, k into x square minus, here we take alpha and beta, alpha beta as LCM, so here this is beta plus alpha, we can say alpha plus beta times x plus here 1 by alpha into beta is alpha beta. Now here let us substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this equation. So here I would like to continue that k into x square, see this is minus alpha plus beta is minus p, so that minus, this minus becomes plus, so plus p by alpha beta is q times x plus 1 by alpha beta, so plus 1 by alpha beta is again q. Now here this is k into let us take q as LCM, so here qx square, this is qx square plus px plus 1 divided by q. So in place of k we can take any real value, so here let us take k as q, so here let us take k as q, so that here k, q and q get cancelled because we are taking k as q. So final answer is qx square plus px plus 1, this is the required polynomial whose zeros are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. So let us see the option C, qx square plus px plus 1, so option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 15. The zeros of the polynomial 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. First let us multiply the first number with the last number. 4 2s are 8 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. So it is 8 3s are 24. 4 root 3 into 2 root 3 is 24, that to minus 24. So here if we write the factors of minus 24, it can be split as we need here plus 5. So plus 8 and minus 3, because 8 minus 3 is 5, 8 into 3 is 24. So here let us split the middle value as, so 4 root 3 x square, 5x I am writing it as 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3 I am writing as it is equal to 0. In these two 4x is common, so it is root 3x plus 2. In these two minus root 3 common, so here you see in 3 is nothing but root 3 into root 3. So here minus taken common, root 3 taken common, so here root 3 is left, root 3x minus, here already minus is taken common, so it becomes plus, and here out of 2 root 3, here root 3 is taken as common, so here 2 equal to 0. So here we can take 4x, 2 root 3x plus 2 as common, root 3x plus 2 into, if we take this as common, here 4x minus root 3, here 4x, here minus root 3 equal to 0. Now we can split the problem into two parts, either root 3x plus 2 is 0, here I am writing root 3x plus 2 is 0, or 4x minus root 3 is 0. So here x is minus 2 by root 3, or here x is root 3 by 4. So these two are the answers, minus 2 by root 3 or root 3 by 4. See option C, you see minus 2 by root 3, root 3 by 4. So option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 22. If the squared difference of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x equal x square plus px plus 45 is equal to 144, then the value of p will be. Here let us consider the zeros as alpha and beta. Now squared the difference between them. So here difference of them is alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta. Squared means whole square is equal to 144. Okay. And from this given polynomial, let us find the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. So here I am writing sum of the zeros alpha plus beta as minus b by a means minus p by minus 1. Minus p by 1, so it is minus p. And product of the zeros is c by a, that is 45 by 1 is 45. Now here let us come back. Alpha minus beta whole square can be written as in terms of alpha plus beta. It is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta is equal to 144, because here you see this is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Plus 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta is nothing but minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta nothing but alpha minus beta whole square, right? Now here let us substitute these values. Alpha plus beta is minus p, so minus p whole square is plus p square. Minus 4 into alpha beta is 45 is equal to 144. So here I would like to continue. P square minus 4 into 45 is 180 is equal to 144. Now here p square equal to send 180 that side. So 144 plus 180 is 324. So here p square is equal to 18 square. So when we take square root both the sides, p equal to plus or minus 18. So here from the options you see B, option B 18 is the right answer. Now we see question number 34. That is, if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x equal to 14x square minus 42k square x minus 9 is negative of the other, then the value of k is. So let us consider the zeros as alpha and other one is negative, so minus alpha. As we know, sum of the zeros is minus b by a. So alpha plus minus alpha is minus b by a, means here minus b is minus 42k square. Here already minus. So in the formula already minus is there. So minus becomes plus. So minus b by a is 14. So plus alpha minus alpha get cancelled. So here we get 0 is equal to 42k square by 14. So here on cross multiplication 14 zeros are 0. So 42k square is 0. From this k square is 0 by 42 is 0. So k equal to plus or minus 0 or simply 0. From options you see option A is the right answer. Now we see question 35. If the sum and the product of the zeros of the polynomial ax square minus 5x plus c are equal to 10 each, then the values of a and c are. Here it is given that sum of the zeros is 10 and product of the zeros is also 10. So as we know here sum of the zeros is given as 10, but we know the sum of the zeros from minus b by a. Here minus b means minus of minus 5. So that is 5 by a. Here a is x square coefficient a. So minus b by a is equal to 10. Now let us simplify. 10 a equal to 5. So a equal to 5 by 10. On simplification this is 5 1 are 5 2s are. So a is 1 by 2. Right. Now still we want the value of c. Let us see here sum of the zeros we have written. Now we will write product. Product of the zeros is also given 10. See 10 each. Product of the zeros formula c by a. Here c means c, a means a. So here c by a is equal to 10. On cross multiplication c equal to 10 times a. So here I am continuing. 10 times a is already 1 by 2. So we can cancel 10 and 2 5 times. So c equal to 5. Finally a equal to 1 by 2 and c equal to 5. 1 by 2 and 5. So option C is the right answer. Question number 41. How many families are there in the village? So here we need to divide this value with the each family so that we will be knowing how many families are there. So here as the place is not sufficient, so I would like to use this space for the division. So here given the total amount is cx cube plus 6x square plus 20x plus 9. So I am going to write it here. X cube plus 6x square plus 20x plus 9, that is to be divided by the families. Those are here, x square plus 2x plus 2. Now let us do here division. So here x square into x, if you do x square into x is x cube, plus 2x into x is 2x square, plus 2 into x is 2x. Now here on subtraction, x cube minus x cube get cancelled. 6x square minus 2x square is 4x square, plus 20x minus 2x is plus 18x. Let us drop the 9 as it is. Now this is 4x square, this is only x square, so let us multiply with 4. So 4 into x square is 4x square, plus 4 into 2x is 8x, plus 4 into 2 is 8. Now here let us subtract again. So let us change the symbols. 4x square minus 4x square get cancelled. 18x plus 18x minus 8x is 10x. Plus 9 minus 8 is plus 1. So here let us see how many families are there in the village. See, these many families are there, means x plus 4. So here option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 50, and of course this is the last question of the worksheet. What is the storage capacity of this water tank? Now here let us see, the option is in liters. So let us find the volume first. Volume is equal to L into B into H, that is 5 into 6 into 2, that is 60 meter cube. So it can be written as 60 times meter into meter into meter. Each meter I am writing as 100 centimeter, again 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter, centimeter, centimeter cube. Now here this I am writing it as 60 into 100 into this 100 I am writing as 10 into 10. This 100 as it is. See, this will be 1000 cm cube. 1000 cm cube is 1 liter. So here this is 60 into 100. So let us write 6 1 jar 6, 6 1 jar 6, 6. Here let us count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here to here we can write as liters, because 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. So this is 60,000 liters. So let us see option C, 60,000 liter. So option C is the right answer. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.